So our lesson today is on solving rational equations. When we say solving rational equations, our objective is to find the values of x that would satisfy the given equation. So basically, we are going to follow two basic steps in solving rational equation. The first step is for us to eliminate the denominator by finding the LCD and then solving for x. And lastly is for us to check whether the value of x that we got is correct. So to start with, we have here the first given example. Say you are given x over 5 plus 1/4 will be equal to x over 2. So first step that we are going to do is to find the LCD of our denominator, which is 5, 4, and 2. So the LCD or the least common denominator of 5, 4, and 2 is 20. Then what will we do with this value? So we are now going to multiply 20 in each term. So 20 times x over 5 plus 20 times 1/4 is equal now to 20 times x over 2. Simplifying it further, so you have here 20 x over 5, or simply that will now be 4x. Then this second term will be simplified. 20 times 1 is 20 divided by 4, giving you 5. And on the other side of the equation, 20 times x is 20x. Divide by 2 will give you 10x. Next step is for us to combine similar terms. So what did we do? We transpose 4x on the other side, giving us now, or we are left with 5 on the left side equals 10x minus 4x, since we already have transposed 4x on the right side. Simplifying it further, so we are left with 5 will be equal now to the difference of 10x minus 4x, which is 6x. Then we divide both sides by 6. So this will now be cancelled. 6 cancelled. So we are left with x. And on the left side, we have your fraction 5 over 6. So the value of x will now be 5 over 6. Then let's try to see if we have the correct value of x by our checking. So substituting this value of x in our original equation. So we have 5 over 6 over 5 plus 1/4 will be equal now to 5 over 6 over 2. Then solving, okay, so how did we get 1/5 here? We got the reciprocal of 5, which is 1/5. So 5 over 6 times 1/5 plus 1/4 will be equal now to our numerator 5 over 6. Then we get again the reciprocal of 2. That's how we got 1/2 here. Then simplifying, so we can cancel out 5 here. 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So we are now left with 1 over 6. Then copy 1/4. And on the right side, we will have 5 times 1 is 5. And 6 times 2 is giving you 12. Then, since on the left side, they don't have the same denominator, so we simplify this by getting again the LCD of 6 and 4, which gives us 12. So 12 divided by 6 is 2 times 1. That's how you got 2 here. Plus 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 1. That's how you got 3 there. Then simply copy the right side. Combining similar terms or simplifying the left side, so you will now have 2 plus 3 is 5. Copying the denominator 12. O is equal now to 5 over 12. So they should be equal to verify that your value of x is correct. Okay, so if you have the equation right, then the value of x that you have solved is correct.